Hey there folks! In this video, we take you to Isfahan, the third largest city of Iran. There is so much to see in this beautiful city, but today we take you to the top 2 attractions of Isfahan. First, let's go to the Grand Bazaar of Isfahan. The bazaar, one of the oldest and largest in the Middle East, dates to 11th century and is the longest roofed market in the world. Step into the vibrant Isfahan market, where colors and aromas blend harmoniously. Here you'll find everything from spices to intricate handicrafts. The shopkeepers and merchants are very friendly, and you also get to see artists working on the actual handicrafts too. This place is indeed a shopper's paradise. And if you just want to soak in the local vibe, there is no better place than this. You could easily spend an entire day here, isn't it? The sprawling gardens of Isfahan market are a local's heaven for picnics and relaxation. It's a perfect place to take a break and soak in the lively atmosphere. Now it's time to tantalize our taste buds with some mouth-watering Isfahan biryani at a charming antique restaurant. The restaurant is tucked in a corner within the Isfahan market and has a huge collection of antique stuff. And while you look at this amazing setup of the restaurant, let me tell you an interesting fact. The Isfahan biryani does not contain rice. Something to definitely try out, right? With our stomachs full and a couple of bags from all the shopping, we head to the Khaju Bridge. Did you know that this magnificent architectural marvel isn't just a bridge? It also serves as a dam and a favorite gathering spot for locals. As the sun sets, the bridge's arches light up, creating a magical ambience that will leave you in awe. Marvel at the stunning architecture and the mesmerizing view of the Zende River flowing beneath it. If I were a local here, I would visit this place every single day. With this wonderful sight, we end this video. Hope this video inspired you to put Iran in your bucket list. And if it didn't, do watch our other videos from Iran. There will be a few more videos from Iran coming very soon. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring.